Hello guys, this is your friend Cindy, and in this video we are going to know how to create an autocomplete search field using text field. Okay, so first you have to create a new Java application and let's name it search field. Okay, after that you have to uncheck the main class and finish. And then here's our new Java application here. Just create a JFrame form and name it mainframe. Okay, so this is the JFrame form. Just we are going to use here a text field. Okay, make it bigger like this. And then after that we need to add the pop-up menu here at our JFrame, but outside of the JFrame, here outside, and that pop-up menu is right here. After that you have to add a new panel. Okay, where's the panel? Yeah, here's the panel, and add it outside of the JFrame again. Okay, make sure it's outside of the JFrame, and when you add it, there is the panel in the other components. Now we have to manipulate the panel here, so make it a little bigger like this. So this panel will be our auto suggesting field whenever we manipulate or put data in this text field. And then after that, you have to put the JList in the JPanel. So just drag it here and make it that big. Okay, and then go to the source code. So we need our component here, our pop-up menu to inherit the JPanel1. So get the variable name of the pop-up menu, and you have to declare it here under the init components inside of the public mainframe. Okay, so here pop-up menu dot add component, and then we have to add this JPanel. Okay, you have to get the name of the panel, then add it here, and then semicolon. After that, whenever we just go back to the JFrame, and whenever we enter a letter here in our text field, our pop-up menu will appear here under this text field. So we have to code the events, key, and key release. So when we release a key or we pressed it, after we press it, it will be released, and then the code will be executed. Alright, so here you have the code. We have to show the pop-up menu. Okay, so get the name again, pop-up menu dot show. Okay, and choose the third one. So it has the component the X and Y. So the X and Y is the position, and the component is where it will going to be to appear. Okay, so it will going to appear in the text field, and then just leave it as 0 and 0. Let's try it. Okay, then run. So we try to enter or press a key to be typed here in the text field, and it appears here in the text field, in front of the text field. So we want it to appear here at the bottom of the text field. So we need to edit the third in the parameter here. So we need to put text field and get the height of the text field. Get height. Yes, that's it. And let's see. So try it. Yes, it appears here at the bottom, and it's all right. We just have to edit the JPanel so it will be fit in the width of the JText field. After that, there's also a problem because whenever you enter a key or a letter or a character, the concentration of the concentration of the Java is inherited by the component. So you can't enter again or type a letter again. So you need to edit the pop-up menu here. So just properties and then uncheck the focusable here. So if you uncheck that, you can continuously edit. Yeah, that's what we want, right? See, so we have to make a condition that if this text field is empty, this component will not appear. Sorry. So we have to put a condition here. So if jtext field 1 text equals empty, the pop-up menu will not appear. So the pop-up menu will set visible to false. Else, if ever we have entered a character in the text field, this pop-up menu will appear. Okay, that's right. It's easy. Erase. So that's fine, right? It's going fine. So now the problem is our JList does not contain a data. So in this tutorial we're going to connect it on our database. Okay, so we have to open our xampp. So here I'm using xampp as control panel, and then start the Apache and MySQL. After that, we have to open phpMeAdmin as our database. Okay, and in this tutorial I'm using my own database that I have created, and it has data inserted on it. So whenever we search here, it will show us a result. So here, it's the very stored database, and we are going to use the customer table. It has 23 datas already. Okay, so here we have to code first the JList. So this JList is not really editable. Okay, let's see here. We cannot add elements here. So first we have to make the JList editable, but we can't do that. So we're going to just make a default list model and give it a name mode, or you can give it any name if you want. New default list model, open close, and then semicolon. After that, you have to import it here at the very top, and then this mode is what we are going to use to edit the data or the elements in the JList. So add element. Here is the code. Okay, so not doing it now, and then after that you have to make your JList. For example, this JList inherit the data or the model. Okay, set the model to mod. So whenever we edit the model and mod, this JList will set the model of mod to itself. Okay, and then after that we have to code here our database connector. Okay, so here I have the code already copied. So this code is literally the code to connect to our database. So I'm going to paste it here, and then this is the result. Okay, so this is the code. You can post it and try to examine it. Okay, and then after that we have to add here the three main components to connect our database. First, the connection, and equals to null, and the prepared statement. st is equal to